So the club provide a charter. We come. I think was good because the other option was to go to Jakarta. Selamat malam. First, I want to say terima kasih. Thank you for the supporters that come today to Membalikkan Stadium to support our team. We know that they make a sacrifice to come here. We know also that many people from Sulawesi want to come, but it's very difficult to get flight tickets, aeroplane tickets. About the game, I think we have more than double of shoots than opponent team, more than double of goal attempts of opponent team. We create more chances, shoot more to the goal. On the first half, we have many chances, and they score. It's like the same history that happened against Borneo, the same history that happened against Barito. But today the players fight until the end, don't give up, and the supporters also help because give motivation from outside to inside. It's very important that we see this. And today we make 41 points. We are on Liga Satu for next season. Now we hope that we can recover and prepare the next match because we need to respect the symbol of PSM Makassar, and we're going to try to collect points and to win on the next match also.
Baik, selamat malam.
Malam.
Pertama-tama saya mengucap syukur kepada Tuhan, dan yang kedua saya mengapresiasi kinerja teman-teman di pertandingan malam ini dan apa yang disampaikan oleh head coach. Walaupun kita ketinggalan di babak pertama, tapi kami boleh bisa membalik keadaan di babak kedua. Dan yang kedua, saya berterima kasih kepada seluruh supporter yang masih meluangkan waktunya datang mendukung kami di stadion, walaupun dalam beberapa pertandingan terakhir kami kurang mendapatkan hasil yang terbaik. Dan di malam hari ini kami boleh menunjukkan bahwa PSM yang sebenarnya seperti apa begitu. Dan semoga di partai-partai home kita terakhir nanti melawan Rans, saya berharap stadion bisa full dengan supporter di sini, dan itu menjadi energi tambahan buat kami untuk bisa mengunci kemenangan di musim ini. Terima kasih.
Sempat terkendala untuk tiket ya di sini. Tiket pesawat, apakah itu berpengaruh dengan performa main?
Yes, everybody knows that in this moment it's very difficult to catch aeroplane tickets to come to Balikpapan. So the club provide a charter. We come. I think was good because the other option was to go to Jakarta, stay there one night, and after come Jakarta to here. It's more tired for the players. We know also that this situation be expensive also for the club. But now we collect 3 points, very important. So I think was a good decision from the club to make this.
Can I have some more details? What have you done in the second half?
Okay, so we speak on half time that we make good things. We create many chances, but we have some mistakes. And we need to continue to create chances, because if we're going to create chances, for sure we are more near to score the goal.
I didn't see Adil Son anymore in the second half.
No, Adil. This is why we have more than 11 players. When we see that the players are not so good performance, and we think other player can give different characteristics, we change the system, we change the dynamic. And we have lucky because after we scored the first goal, after was like psychology, the mentality of the players. I saw that they are more freedom, because sometimes we miss many passes because maybe we are nervous. And after we draw 1-1 was more easy, and after 2-1 and after 3-1.
Only 3 minutes from the first and the second goal.
Yes, so I think was very good. Was very good performance, but not just on the second half. We create many chances on the first half. The problem is accuracy, but we create chances, no score, and we make some mistakes that we can improve. This is the football. Just make the mistakes who's in the side of the pitch.